Chew. 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 God, I can't stop. Chew. I can't stop sneezing. Chew. I was cooking earlier. Well, not earlier, just a few minutes ago. And I had the brilliant idea of using a lot of black pepper. Chew. 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 Basically because I wanted to see if it would make me sneeze. Well, and it did. And I know it sounds silly and a bit cartoonish, but oh my God, pepper makes me sneeze so much, so much. Phew. If the slightest bit of pepper, or any spice actually, spices in general, touch my nose, I instantly start sneezing and my nostrils flare ups. So my nostrils flare up so much. Just been sneezing. I usually avoid cooking anything with spices, but if I do cook something with spices, I always have to be very careful because one small whiff and I'm sneezing for like 30 minutes. Phew. 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 God, my pepper sneezes are not rapid at all, but they sure are persistent. They just don't stop. Phew. 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 Phew.